2022 June question paper 1. Question 16, part A. State 2 advantages of preparing a bank reconciliation statement. That given 2 possible answers over here. Number 1, helps to identify errors in the cash book or in the bank statement, helps to facilitate error-free accounting. You don't have to expand your answer, just state 2 points because the command word is state 2 advantages. On 28th Feb 2022, Nabil's bank statement showed a credit balance of 135. On the same date, the cash book showed a credit balance of 180. The following had not been entered in the cash book, so there are nearly 5 transactions which should reflect in the updated cash book. UCB means updated cash book. A direct debit for telephone 42, a dishonored check from Bajaj Limited 668, a check drawn for cash 120 should appear on the credit side, whereas a credit transfer from BX Trading 475 and Cash Sales Bank 295 should appear on the debit side. Now let's prepare the updated cash book. As you can see here, cash book showed a credit balance of 180. Let's enter that on the credit side because it says credit balance. Balance brought down. Assuming all these transactions occurred on 28th, there's a direct debit for telephone 42, and dishonored check from Bajaj Limited 668. You can simply write the name of the person. A credit transfer from BX Trading 475. Cash sales 295. Cash banked. Whatever the sales you had made, you had banked. And then check drawn for cash 120. Taken cash, that should be the opposite account's name, worth 120. Now let's total the debit side and the credit side to find out the greater number side. 475 plus 295, 770 on the debit side. Whereas on the credit side, 180 plus 42 plus 668, 180 plus 42 plus 668 plus 120, 1010. Credit side total is greater, therefore bring it down to the total, which is 1010. Now as at 28th, finding the balance carried down value, which is 1010 takeaway 770, which should give 240. Carried down. March 1st, balance brought down 240. Since this is on the credit side, in the bank reconciliation statement, this value should be written within brackets. Now, let's prepare the
Now
Let's prepare a bank reconciliation statement. We have transferred the balance as per cash book 240, which was on the credit side, therefore we write it within brackets. Unpresented checks worth 562. Outstanding lodgements 187, which needs to be deducted. Now let's figure out the balance as per bank statement. Minus 240 plus 562 take away 187. The bank statement value is 135. It's a positive figure. We can cross-check the answer. As you can see, on 28th Feb 22, the bank statement showed a credit balance of 135. So we can check the accuracy of preparing a bank reconciliation statement. State in which section of the statement of financial position at 28th Feb 22 the bank balance would appear. As you can see here, it's a credit balance in the bank account. This represents as a bank overdraft. Therefore, in SFB, it reflects under current liabilities. So the answer should be current liabilities. If a bank balance has a debit balance, it's an asset, therefore current assets. If it's a credit balance, liability, therefore current liability. Now you can see we had prepared an updated cash book. After balancing, we found a credit value of 240 balance brought down. Then we had transferred this amount to the bank reconciliation statement, added unpresented checks, deduct outstanding lodgements. Sorry for adding a plus there. It should be minus 187, thereby finding the balance as per bank statement.